Your gas tank is open. Your gas tank is open. Can I close it?
If you can, sure. Thank you. Thanks.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm fine. Cool. Yeah, cheers.
Right, I'll move out the way because I can't really see you when you come round the roundabout.
Pode ligar, mano.
Good morning, sir.
How are you? Can you relax?
Okay.
Okay, I'm pulling you over for the little, you can't change lanes coming through the intersection, okay? 100 feet of the intersection. I saw you look back and no one was coming, but when you do that, you know why you can't do that?
Oh, yeah, in the middle of the intersection, I switched over. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Yes, sir.
Do you know the dangers of doing that, though?
Yes, sir. It's not a line at all. I shouldn't have done that.
So you see all those people lined up at that red light to make that right on red turn?
Yes, sir.
Especially being on a motorcycle. So you make that lane change coming into an intersection?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me what we're thinking. You make that lane change at the last second coming to the intersection,
Mm-hmm.
and that person that is making that right-hand turn thinks it's clear.
Yeah.
And they go to turn, and the last second you make that lane change, and now you're in their lane, and then you hit the back of them, and you're having a bad day.
I see what you're saying, because they're taking the right turn. They totally have the right to take the right turn.
And they think there's nobody coming.
And then I switch over in the middle.
That's why I have to pet peeve in mind, because we get a lot of accidents like that.
I understand. I'm sorry about that. Yes, sir.
You headed to work?
Yes, sir.
Where are you working?
Guy Harvey Resort on the beach right over here.
Yeah, I work on the island a lot. Have you gotten in an accident recently with this? Or?
I dropped it on accident. It was a couple months ago.
Was it an accident, or
yeah.
avoided an accident?
Yeah, it was the first time I got the bike. It was about 3 months ago. Okay. It wasn't an accident, no. I just dropped the bike myself.
Oh, just...
Yeah, I was going a little too fast, trying to impress some kids.
Yeah, how'd that go?
Well, you learn your lesson when you drop your bike.
You got paperwork?
Yes, sir. It's all in my bag.
Zip tie repair, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I have all the fixins on I have all the fixins on eBay. I just gotta buy them. Cost a lot. Is it alright if I get off?
You can, yeah.
Okay, cool.
What do you do at Guy Harvey?
I serve.
They still do the whole, they used to do like a big breakfast before COVID, like a buffet almost.
Over here.
They still do the buffet or no?
No, we don't do buffet anymore. We still have breakfast though. Sorry. Just woke up trying to get everything.
What time you gotta be at work?
7 o'clock. There's a second person going in though, so shouldn't be too much of a worry. Alright. This was insurance for car. Alright. Place those there. Yes, I do. I saw the errors. Yeah, I did this. So I had it in here, but then it broke off over here in the second. Yeah, I think this is it. Or this is. Yeah.
That's your title. You can even do that.
Okay. That looks like it's just a.
I'll be right back.
Alright, sorry.
For no insurance earlier this year.
Was that in Yulee? Or no?
I didn't look at the county. It was Florida.
Oh, that was actually on the island. Yes, that was in January.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And they suspended your license for it, then you got your license back.
Yes. Yeah, I just recently got my license back.
Suspended again is what I'm saying.
Oh.
It's the same exact thing you're going through as in January, okay?
Oh, really? Oh.
You gotta get proof of that and show them proof, or they'll suspend your license, okay?
Okay, see, they told me they suspended my license for a different reason.
It said failure to pay, but also for that citation, it said that...
The original citation? Okay.
That was back in August.
Okay. Oh, see, that was with my car, because I drove my Mazda, and that's the insurance that was in my bag that I had, the car insurance. I didn't have it updated. I got it updated. I went to go show them the updated insurance. They said it already went to collections, so I just paid it off in collections, and then that's it. So that's a whole different insurance. That's not my bike.
Yeah. So you'll go through the same thing that with this one. But...
Okay, I got you. Thank you so much.
Be safe, right?
I will. I'll watch my lane changes. I hope you guys have a great day. God damn it, dude.
Baby, stay strong.
What's going on?
How you doing, sir?
Why are we hauling butt?
Sorry, home's right here. I was just scooted a little too fast. I'm sorry.
1026. Looks like you already wiped the bike out once.
Yes, sir. It was a couple months ago. I just haven't gotten fixed.
Seems like a smart thing to be doing on a 25-mile-an-hour road.
No, sir. No, sir.
Where's your driver's license?
It's in my bag.
Okay. Where do you live at? How's your driving record?
It's fairly good. I did just get pulled over for recently, probably about a week ago, for crossing lanes in the middle of an intersection.
You get a ticket?
I did. I got a ticket for not having insurance. I just got enrolled in insurance so that way I can bring that to the DMV here. I just did all that recently, like yesterday.
Well, do you have health insurance?
Yeah, I have health insurance, just I'm not insured for the bike like Progressive wise. So I signed up for Progressive yesterday. I have the registration.
Who pulled you over?
I'm not too sure.
What agency?
It was here. It was right on US 1.
Car like this?
Yeah.
Give me a minute.
Alright. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you put the kickstand down? Talk to me for a second.
Yeah.
The other day when you got that sight, were you wearing a helmet?
Yes.
Okay, you always wear a helmet?
Yes, sir. Always.
Okay, you have health insurance, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm trying to figure something out right now.
Okay.
It has nothing really to do with you. Just kind of came to my attention. So, would you mind just standing by for a few minutes?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to detain you anymore. I'm just going to give you a warning on everything.
Okay.
Just sit tight for a minute, okay?
Alright, yeah.
You just want to chill out here. Okay, come here. So,
Yes, sir.
that sight that you got,
Yes, sir.
given correctly, all right?
Okay.
You don't have to have insurance on a motorcycle. You're 21 years old. You have a helmet on. There is a thing if you have, can I ask you a favor?
Yeah.
Can you turn the camera off?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not trying to do anything funny. It's
Yeah.